Am I audible?
Yes. We are going
Good
live
evening,
to
ladies and
Facebook as well. Yep.
gentlemen.
Go ahead, Shivang.
Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभ संध्या पर मेरा आप सभी को एक प्रेम भरा नमस्कार। मैं हूँ आपकी मास्टर ऑफ सेरेमनी, या कह सकते हैं आपकी होस्ट शिवांगी भार्गव। आप सभी का उमंग के इस मंच पर मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। सबसे पहले मेरी और मेरी टीम उमंग की ओर से आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। A very happy Independence Day to all. आप सभी सुरक्षित रहें, स्वतंत्र रहें, ऐसी हम सबकी मनोकामना। मैं इस बात को लेकर मुझे कोई संशय नहीं है कि हमारा थीम देखकर आज काफी अतिथिगण यहाँ पर हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। अगर हम आज की थीम पर ध्यान दें तो वो है फाइंडिंग फ्रीडम, आजादी की खोज। इंडीड अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल थीम और अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। हमारा देश तो 1947 यानी कि 1947 में ही आजाद हो चुका है, लेकिन हम में से कुछ लोग अभी भी उस आजादी की खोज की ओर अग्रसर हैं, अभी भी उस आजादी को खोज रहे हैं। हम में से कुछ लोग उस आजादी को एज पर देयर डेफिनेशन उस आजादी को वो खोज चुके हैं। फ्रीडम हैज अ डिफरेंट डेफिनेशन फॉर ईच ऑफ अस. इट इज सब्जेक्टिव. फॉर सम it might be sitting peacefully in a room or in a balcony, watching the rain, sipping on a hot cup of coffee, just enjoying the bliss, the calm, and the silence of that moment, without any interruption. For some of us, it might be going out with friends and spending the time as they want. It might also be going out with the family, giggling for no reason, going to the places they want to, eating the food they want to. That might be the definition of freedom for some of us. For some, freedom might be financial. They can spend their money as they want. And for some, it might be freedom in the routine they follow. अब मैं अपने अतिथिगणों से जानना चाहूंगी कि उनके लिए फ्रीडम यानी आजादी की क्या परिभाषा है. What is the definition of freedom for you?
अगर मैं कहूँ या हेलो, मेरा नाम मिहिर है, और अगर मैं कहूँ कि आज़ादी की परिभाषा मेरे लिए क्या है, सबसे बड़ी आज़ादी जो है वो इंसान के अंदर ही होती है. मैंने एक किताब पढ़ी थी जिसका नाम है मैन सर्च फॉर मीनिंग, एंड इन दैट बुक द ऑथर वाज द prisoner in the Nazi camp, and where he realized that the ultimate freedom, no matter what bad happens to him, the ultimate freedom lies within ourselves, how we react. If something bad happens, do we take it negatively or do we take it positively? So यही मेरे हिसाब से ultimate freedom मेरे हिसाब से यही है.
बहुत ही सुंदर परिभाषा दी है मीर आपने, धन्यवाद आपका. Anyone else would like to define what is freedom to them? हमारे कमेटी मेंबर्स भी आगे आ सकते हैं अपने विचार व्यक्त करने के लिए.
Yeah. So according to me, freedom is something where you can express yourself, and the freedom of thought is the biggest one, which can lead to happiness and success as well.
Very beautifully described, Kriti. Thank you so much. Freedom of expression and freedom of thought, freedom of speech is what is practiced in our country, and that is the best gift that our constitution and our country has given to us. The freedom of speech, अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करने की आजादी. उमंग एक ऐसा मंच है जो आपको अपने विचार, अपने थॉट यहाँ पे व्यक्त करने की आजादी देती है. It is a beautiful initiative wherein our team has come together for a social cause, the cause of benefiting the society through the power of words. I would like to request our Zoom master to please share our Umang poster. Thank you so much. As you can see, Umang is a social initiative targeted for 5 weeks with 5 different torch bearers who have brought a change to the society with the way they work for the society. They are invited here to share their experiences and guide us. Along with that, we also have 24 participants divided across 3 weeks who are divided into 4 different categories of speaking, that is poetry, storytelling, prepared speech, and entertainment. As you can see through the poster, Umang, a ray of hope, stands on 4 pillars, that is engage, enhance, empower, and evolve. These are the 4 basic pillars of our initiative. The mission of Umang is to create an impact on the society and make them aware of positive changes that can be brought and acknowledge the torch bearers of change. I would also like to make you familiar with the vision of this initiative. It is to create an awareness among a larger audience that even without the resources, we can still contribute for the good of the society and to bring the positive change. So that is what Umang, a ray of hope, is all about. I will now like to present to you all the participants of these 3. I request the Zoom master to. So here we have all the participants of these 3. In prepared speeches round, we have Vinci and Madhuri. In poetry, we have Ankit and Ankita. In storytelling, we have Saurabh and Mihir. And in entertainment section, we have Yashwant and Kanchi. I would briefly like to acquaint you all with the guidelines of today's performances. The timing will be 2 to 3 minutes. Our timer, Toastmaster Nikita, she will be taking care of the timing guidelines and showing you the timer cards as if Nikita can share the screen.
Is it?
We'll show the green card at 2 minutes, the yellow card at 2.5 minutes, and the red card at 3 minutes. So these were the timing guidelines which all the performers and speakers have to follow. So without further ado, let us begin this journey of freedom with our prepared.
Shivangi, I would like to add a point. 2 to 3 minutes is the time for the prepared speech, storytelling, and poetry. So performances, that is singing and dance. The time limit will be 3 to 4 minutes. So at 3 minutes, I'll be showing green card, 3.5 yellow, and I'll be showing red card. After red card, you will be given 30 periods grace period. So you will be automatically be muted after 30 seconds. So be careful, and also please open your chat box while you're delivering your material so that I'll be warning you right there. And the time cards will be shown just for 5 seconds just to warn you what time you have taken. I hope I'm clear and looking forward to your performance. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nikita. And I hope the timing guidelines are clear. I'm sorry, I missed the performance guidelines. So for the entertainment section, it is 3 to 4 minutes. So if no one has any doubt, does anyone have any doubt? Okay. So let's, without further ado, let us begin this journey of freedom with a prepared speech. Let me call upon our first participant of the day, who will be presenting a beautiful speech in front of all of us. She describes herself as the student of life. Please welcome Vinity.
Thank you. Just a quick check. Am I audible and visible clearly?
Yes, you are.
Okay. So here I go. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. First of all, on this auspicious day, I would like to salute all the freedom fighters, army personnel, and all the unsung heroes of our country. Every year, this day we celebrate Independence Day. We celebrate independence from invaders. We celebrate independence of movement. We celebrate independence of speech. We celebrate independence of life. But even after 75 years of independence, the lurking question is, are we really independent? Are we really independent from poverty? Are we really independent from unemployment? Are we really independent from mob lynching? Are we really independent from eve teasing? Are we really independent from child labor? Are we really independent from pollution? Are we really independent from global warming? Are we really independent from corruption? The answer to all the above question is no, we are not. But as a citizen, we think that what can we do to make a difference? We always think that we have casted vote and we have chosen a government, and now government is responsible for looking in all this stuff, which is not right. Even government can't do anything without the support and cooperation of citizens. So being a responsible citizen of India and being a future of India, let's reevaluate that where we want to take this nation towards. A nation of peace and harmony and brotherhood, or the nation of all the above evils. I'm pretty sure that all of us wanted to go with that first nation of peace, harmony, and brotherhood. So for that, we need to take some vows, because we can only make a difference if we join hand together. So we need to take vows that we will perform our duties with full reverence. We will always abide to law of land. We will be a responsible citizen. We'll always add a positive influence towards the society and nation. I'm pretty sure that if we all take a vow today of these above things, we can actually make a difference. Let's not just inherit the money and property to our future generation. Let's pass them a safer road to walk, a quality air to breathe in, and a good environment to grow in. Thank you. Back to the Toastmaster Shivangi.
Thank you so much, Vinity. Your speech made us think that are we actually independent? We still need independence from a lot of things. So thank you so much for such a beautiful speech. Our next performer is Madhusri. She is working in TCS Indore. She tells herself to be from Andhra Pradesh, and she is interested in nature and science. So I would like to welcome Madhusri.
Am I audible and visible?
I guess I'm spotlight that. Yeah.
Am I audible? Yeah. Let me know when I need to start.
Yes, you can start, Madhusri.
Yeah. Freedom is an open window, and it's already stated that
Madhusri, is there a problem? I guess Madhusri is having connectivity issues. Am I audible to you?
hello? Am I
Yes,
audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Some connectivity issues. I can't able to switch on my video.
Okay, you can still continue with your speech. We'll restart the timing, and as soon as your connectivity is back, you can sit on it.
Yeah, shall I start now?
Go ahead.
Freedom is an open window, and it's true as stated. But there is a lot more. What freedom means to me personally is freedom is the only window in many of our lives through which we see, we aspire, we dream, and we become one day. Finding freedom. I would like to give a simple and small example of mine where I found my freedom. After completion of my BTech, I was very happy and super excited for my placement in TCS and was waiting for my joining letter. Me and my friends have chosen our preferred locations as Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai as they were our nearby TCS locations. One by one, all are getting joining letters and have got their preferred locations. I was still waiting for my joining letter. Most awaiting moment in my life, I have received my call letter late night. I was very excited to see my work location. After seeing that, I literally cried and tears fall from my eyes that I have seen my base location as TCS Indoor. I don't know where Indore is located, and I was hearing this name for the first time. So I have Googled it and I found that it's in Madhya Pradesh, which is 30 hours far from my hometown, and I need to change 2 buses and 2 trains to reach there, which is very much difficult. I blamed God. Why me? Why I am the only one among 100 students who placed in TCS in my college haven't got preferred location. My parents, relatives and friends told me not to go to Indore, instead try for another company. But I have decided to go to Indore as this was my first job and have done a lot of hard work for being an electrical engineer to achieve that. Now I'm very happy by taking that decision. I have got many new and close friends and beautiful memories to cherish in my life. I have got to know new cultures and new traditions. I learned a lot in my life. Here, I have found my freedom of thoughts, freedom of expressing myself, and freedom of taking independent decisions. Freedom is within ourselves, doing what we want, cherishing memories, and making things happen, believing in decisions we make and not regretting about them, giving yourself a chance to explore, but knowing that it is right, even after experiencing bitter ones. Freedom is the topmost quality of a human being, which they don't realize they possess. Freedom is within you. You have freedom of everything. But knowing what remains free until the until the end, is the real wisdom of knowing freedom. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your beautiful performance, Manasi. And I really appreciate your brave decision to come to Indore. I'm glad now you've found your way, your freedom with your friends and your office. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
I would like to request our Zoom master to please provide the polling option. Meanwhile, let me tell you, you have to vote for one of the speakers out of the two.
We have got about 65% vote, so we'll give 10 more seconds for people to vote. All right, last 2 seconds. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Harito. With that, we come to an end of our first round, which was the prepared round. It was indeed listening to two beautiful speakers, which was Benity and Navid. Our second round is the entertainment round, wherein today we have a diverse participation. One of our participants is a singer, and the other one is a dancer. So let us have some energy and start with the dancing section first. For that, I would like to invite Kanchan, who believes in work hard and play hard.
नमस्कार सभी को मेरी तरफ से ये देश है वीर जवानों का लबेलों का मस्तानों का इस देश का यारों इस देश का यारों का कहना ये देश में दुनिया का कहना मेरा जूता है जापानी ये हिंदुस्तानी सरदारों की रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी ये हिंदुस्तानी सरदारों की रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी
There is some issue with the audio, Kanchan.
Was I unmuted for all the time?
Yeah,
Just-
no, just now, a few seconds
Just
back.
15 seconds, yeah.
Some dialog box appeared on my screen, so I stopped. Should I start from beginning or what, or should I start from here?
You can continue from where you left. Yeah.
Fine, fine. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kanchan. That was indeed a mesmerizing performance, and I was here compelled to take a leg with you. So beautiful, so mesmerizing. Thank you so much. Our second performer of the entertainment section is Yashwant. He is gonna mesmerize us with a beautiful singing performance. As he describes himself, he's a foodie and a pet lover. He loves to explore things, people, and places. So, moving on with our next performance of the day, Yashwant.
Thank you very much, Shivangi, and a very happy Independence Day to everyone. So can I start?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. संदेश से आते हैं, हमें तड़पाते हैं, तो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। संदेश से आते हैं, हमें तड़पाते हैं। किसी दिलवाली ने, किसी मतवाली ने यह खत लिखा है कि हमसे पूछा है। किसी की सांसों ने, किसी की धड़कन ने, किसी की चूड़ी ने, किसी के कंगन ने, किसी के गजरे ने, किसी के गजरे ने, महकती सुबह ने, मचलती शामों ने, अकेली रातों में, अधूरी बातों ने, तरसती बाहों ने, और पूछा है तरस निगाहों ने कि घर कब आओगे, के घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। जलते शरारे हैं पानी के धारे, हम काटे कटते नहीं। जो वादा करते हैं करके निभाते हैं, हम पीछे हटते नहीं। वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे, देश तो अपनी शान है। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना दो लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हिंदुस्तानी हिंदुस्तानी, हिंदुस्तानी हो 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 हिंदुस्तानी। जय हिंद। थैंक यू वेरी मच। Thank you very much, Umang.
Thank you so much.
Happy Independence Day, everyone.
Thank you. And what a performance, I must say. I was reading the chat section behind, and it was flooded with appreciation for you. आपकी देशभक्ति की भावना देखकर, आपकी मधुर आवाज सुनकर हम सभी देशभक्ति की भावना की तरह बोल हो गए। So thank you so much for that.
बहुत शुक्रिया।
With this, we come to an end of our entertainment section. I would like to request our Zoom master to please put on the voting.
All right, you all must have Zoom poll option on your screen. We have about 50% votes as of now. So we'll keep it open for 10 more seconds. Please vote. All right, we have 70% votes. So I'm gonna close the poll now. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Harito. With this, we wind up with the entertainment section. It was indeed so much fun, and now I'm really compelled to feel the freedom which we all were talking about. And this brings us to the most awaited section of our event. That is the address from our top tier educators. Today we have with us a very special guest whose smile is infectious. The list of her achievements is long, He is a TEDx speaker twice, a motivational speaker, a keynote speaker, a teacher, a trainer, a poet, a Toastmaster, and an author of the book Finding Chromosome X. He is on a mission to tell the world that life is beautiful no matter what. He loves to see smiling faces and has a seat too. He has worked in a travel agency in Dubai for 12 years and is a teacher and a trainer since the last 6 years, a speaker for the last 3 years. Can we have a virtual round of applause for our guest speaker tonight, Pinky Baru?
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you for that wonderful introduction.
Thank you, Pinky. And to help her share her experiences through questions, we have with us the backbone of our mission, who has also acted as the leading lady of this initiative. A Java developer at Teachers Indoor by profession and a Toastmaster by passion. Please help me invite Suti Silveri.
Thank you, Shivangi, for such a warm introduction. And I would like to welcome our guest, Toastmaster Pinky, over here. We share a heartfelt gratitude for joining us and we welcome you here. Can we start?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. Before we start.
Thank you, and same to you. So what is the real meaning or freedom for you in real terms, or any moment which you would like to share where you have felt you have attained the freedom?
Sure. Shruti, I've seen this Umang Ray of Hope, and I've seen that there are poets and there are artists. So I'm also a poet by heart, and so I thought let me also start with the poem. So if you'll allow me, may I?
Perfect. Go ahead.
Thank you. I've titled this poem Azadi. आजादी की क्या है कीमत, कल मुझसे मेरे दोस्त ने पूछा, क्या बोलूं मैं उसको, मुझे तो कुछ न सूझा। मैंने बोला रुक, मैं जरा पता करके बताती हूँ, 1-2 दिन में आजादी पे प्राइस टैग लगाती हूँ। गई मैं उस पिंजरे के पास जिसमें था एक पंछी बंद, सोचा मैंने इसे तो सबसे ज्यादा आजादी ही होगी पसंद। बोला मैंने उसे, आजादी की क्या है कीमत, गर देगा तू बता, अब भी तेरे पिंजरे का दरवाजा देती हूँ हटा। बोला पंछी, अरे अरे ऐसा गजब न करना, मुझे तो यही पसंद है रहना। बाहर नहीं जाना, मुझे डर लगता है चीलों से, खाना जब रोज भरपेट मुझे मिले यहाँ, फिर क्यों दोस्ती करो मैं मीलों से। समझ न पाई कुछ लेकिन शुक्रिया कह के आगे निकल दी। अगले ही पल एक उड़ती चिड़िया न जाने क्यों मुझ पे हंसती। रोका उसे मैंने और बोला, पिंजरा लाई हूँ कैद करने को तुझे, अगर ना चाहती हो ऐसा तो आजादी की कीमत बता मुझे। हंस के बोली चिड़िया, धोखा हो गया है तुझे ए दोस्त मेरे, पर तो है खुले हुए पर विचार है कैद मेरे। कठपुतली की तरह बस नचाया जाता है मुझे, सही गलत की पहचान कहाँ, बस करती ही जाऊं जो कहा जाता है मुझे। उलझ गई थी मैं कि कैसे कोई कैद में भी था खुश और कैसे कोई आजाद होकर भी था आजाद नहीं। क्या खुली हवा में सांस लेना ही आजादी नहीं। भाग के गई उस दोस्त के पास और बोली, समझ आ गया है सब कुछ मुझे ए दोस्त मेरे, यार मेरे, आजादी की कीमत तो नहीं, आजा आजादी के मायने बताती हूँ तुझे। आजाद हो तुम अगर आजाद है तुम्हारे ख्याल, आजाद हो तुम अगर कुछ सही करने पर तुम्हारे सामने ना उठे कोई दीवार। हाँ, समझ लेना, आजाद हो तुम अगर कुछ सही करने पर तुम्हारे सामने ना उठे कोई दीवार। So this, thank you.
बहुत ही
So
खूब।
शुक्रिया। So ये कविता मैंने 2 साल पहले लिखी थी एंड ये सेकंड कविता है जो मैंने लिखी थी, so that is the reason it is very close to my heart. Now coming to what freedom means to me, I remember a quote by Mahatma Gandhi ji. He said, freedom is not worth having if it does not give you the freedom of making mistakes. Now, when we make mistakes, we learn. It is stepping stone to learning. It is stepping stone to experiences. In fact, it is a stepping stone to reality. We have to understand that we are humans. We don't have to know it all. जरूरी थोड़ी है कि हमें सब कुछ पता हो. So it is okay if we make mistakes. Nobody makes mistake intentionally. So we must, whenever we make mistake, we must learn to forgive ourselves, and don't repeat the mistakes, but never forget the lesson. Now you are that is the meaning of freedom to me. Now you are asking about a moment when I felt that, wow, this is freedom. So my name is Pinky Berus. I am 42 years old and I stand 4 feet 6 inches tall. Now this is approximately 8 inches shorter than the average height of a woman. So when I was in my teenage days and anybody used to ask my age, Pinky, what is your age? I used to lie. I was scared. Okay, what if I tell my real age? What questions can pop in? What question may they ask? What will I reply? I had no clue. So that fear was always there in me. But then I realized if I am 4 feet 6 inches tall, not short, if I am 4 feet 6 inches tall, is it my fault? No, not at all. Then why am I feeling ashamed, feeling guilty, feeling bad for? So because of this, I had fallen prey to depression. But after that, I understood that, okay, if anyone says you anything, it is not out of intention. So just move ahead. And the day when I started telling everyone my real age without any hesitation, that this is my age, that is the moment when I felt that, yes, that is the day of freedom for me. That was the day of freedom for me when I first revealed my true age to any stranger.
Yeah, it's indeed, it takes a real courage to do all these things, and we are really inspired by all these. And now moving ahead, I would like to just ask that, do you think sometimes we face many of the social barriers? Sometimes our community hinders us, or is it culture, or is it some of those factors? So do you think that facing those social barriers leads to freedom for us?
All right, that's a lovely question. Now, those who know me know that I love to tell stories. So let me share a story with you all, which I had read recently. Now, this is a story about a shark. There's a happy, hungry, always hungry, and healthy shark. Now, he used to live in a big tank, huge tank, and he was taken care by a biologist. Now, every day, the biologist, she used to put small fishes into the tank, and the shark, whenever he saw them, happily used to come and eat them. Now one day, this biologist decided that she would like to do an experiment. What she did, she took a clear, strong, transparent fiberglass and placed it inside the tank, dividing the tank into 2 sections. Now, one side, she put the fishes. Now, as the shark saw them, as usual, ouch! got hurt. He tried again. Same thing. Ouch. He's trying. Without stopping. He took a pause. Again tried. Then he gave up. Now what the biologist did? She saw that shark is not trying now. The shark is quiet. She quietly removed that fiberglass. Now the small fishes were happily moving around here and there. Now they also understood that this shark is not going to do anything. He's not going to hurt us. Oh, you want to come and eat us? Come. They were teasing the shark. Just imagine. Now this happened. Now the barrier was not there. It was in the shark's mind. It had been removed. Now let's see if the situation would have been handled differently by the shark. What if he would have taken help? What if he would have paused to understand what is wrong? What is the difference? Why is this happening? Maybe the end would have been different. So all I want to say is everything is here. There are no barriers. There are no restrictions. Yes, there are social norms, like how we should behave and all. But those are for our good, for our safety. For example, just imagine if there was no air traffic controller, or on the crossroads, there were no cars, like there were no signals or policemen, and the cars, any car would come, just go anywhere they want, never stop, or stop at their will. What would happen? There would be crashes, there would be accidents. So all that norms are for our safety. Now coming back to my story about social norms. Yes, I have also faced restrictions. I was telling you about my height. Now why I have this height? Why I have this such a beautiful look? Okay. So I have a health condition which is called Turner syndrome. I know many of you must have not heard about it because it is very rare. Now this is a rare chromosomal condition in which a chromosome, like we females and even males, have 23 sets of chromosome. So when in a female in the 23rd set, one chromosome X is missing, or even if it is there, it is not working, then this condition happens, which leads to physical, like it affects your physical growth. There are side effects, like there will be bone problem, there can be heart problems. All that was there. So yes, I was affected by it, but when I started seeing things differently, when I started seeing everything positively, I got a job in Dubai and I worked there for 12 years in a travel agency. Like I was under the intoxication of name, fame, money. I was a workaholic. Now after working for 12 years in that travel agency, suddenly my bones started paining. The pain was so excruciating, so bad, as if someone was cutting my bones with a butcher's knife. So then again, I was taken to doctors and it was revealed that I have osteoporosis, and I was just 30 years old that time. And I was given an ultimatum that either you leave the office chair or welcome a wheelchair. Of course, I decided to leave the office chair and I came back to India. Now, I thought, okay, let me start part-time, and I started working as a teacher. That is when I got the time for myself. That is when I knew that I love writing, and I love writing. I love to be on stage and all. And that was the time when I came to know that I had osteoporosis because I had Turner syndrome. That is why I had it at early age. So just imagine if I would have known that before, maybe the situation would have been different. Maybe I would have taken better care of myself, maybe taken bottles and bottles of calcium, drink buckets and buckets of milk, stood under the sun for hours and hours. Whatever, I would have just taken care of myself. That is when I realized that there is lack of awareness and something has to be done. Now, how do I do it? And it means that I thought, okay, let me speak about it. Now, why I thought that? When I was a child, I wanted to become a beauty queen, or I wanted to become an actress. Then I thought, no, okay, let me try public speaking. And then I searched like Turner syndrome support society in India. I found none. To gain more information, I found none. But there were many in UK and USA. That became my goal. But I had fear. Oh my God, what will people say? Will they misunderstand my condition, health condition, as a disease? I just checked with my parents that this is what I want to do. I just want to speak about it. They said, okay, if Pinky, if you think you're doing the right thing, go ahead. And I have spoken at different platforms. I've spoken at TEDx platform. I've spoken at AIMS hospital. So that was just a fear in my mind. What happened? I am here, all. I'm safe and sound. I'm happy. I'm smiling. Kuch bhi nahi hua. So it was, the fear was everything in my mind. So there's no barrier. It's just here.
Yes, very rightly said and depicted as well. And we can see it from your journey also. And moving ahead, I being a child or growing up, I have been always wondering that if we are allowed to follow our dreams, या अगर हमें अपने सपनों का पीछा करने की आजादी दे दी जाए, तो क्या हम जल्दी सफल हो सकते हैं?
ये तो हमारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि हम उस आजादी का क्या करते हैं. जैसे कि जस्ट इमेजिन हम सबको कल 1-1 लाख रुपए मिल जाते हैं. वाह, कितना अच्छा लगता है सुनने में. तो 1-1 लाख रुपए मिल जाते, तो हम उसको कैसे यूज करते हैं उस पर डिपेंड करता है. सो आई वुड से 70% वर्क इज डन जब आजादी मिल जाए, एंड 30% इज हार्ड वर्क. इज not only hard work, it is smart work. Smart work means having a practical goal, a clear goal, clear practical goal, then changing your fear to focus, then making a plan, again practically जो feasible हो, and उसके बाद first step, take that. So मैं अपना एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि जब मुझे मॉम डैड ने कहा यू कैन डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करो एंड ऑल, तो मैंने फिर गूगल सर्च किया. सिंस आई कैन सी मेनी आर टोस्ट मास्टर्स, तो मैंने गूगल सर्च किया प्लेसेस फॉर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इन बड़ौदा, तो नाम आया वडोदरा टोस्ट मास्टर्स क्लब. अरे तो बड़ौदा में ही है. तो मैंने कॉल किया, कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर था, और मैंने सीधा ये लाइन बोला, हेलो कैन आई कम एंड गिव अ स्पीच. मतलब ना ही मैंने अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, ना ही मैंने कुछ बोला है. आई वाज जस्ट सो मैड टुवर्ड्स माय गोल कि आई एम आस्किंग कैन आई कम एंड गिव द स्पीच. तो मुझे बताया गया कि नहीं, वैसा नहीं हो सकता, बट ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ सेक्शन जहां पे आपको 2 मिनट बोलने का मौका दिया जाएगा, लेकिन वो भी टॉपिक, मतलब हम लोग आपको टॉपिक देंगे. तो मैंने मन में सोचा, व्हाट, एक तो सिर्फ 2 मिनट और वो भी टॉपिक मेरे चॉइस का नहीं. नॉट फेयर. फिर भी मैं गई, क्योंकि इतने प्यार से बुलाया था यार, कोई कैसे मना कर सकता है. तो मैं गई और मुझे टेबल टॉपिक्स के लिए बुलाया गया. टॉपिक बहुत इजी था, बहुत जनरल था. 45 सेकंड्स मैंने बोला है एंड आई फ्रोज. उसके आगे मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं पाई. तब मुझे पता चला कि ये पब्लिक स्पीकिंग होता क्या है, वो चिड़िया होती क्या है. देन आई सेड दिस इज द राइट प्लेस फॉर मी. और वहां से मेरी जर्नी शुरू हुई. मैं प्रैक्टिस करती गई. आई कॉन्टेक्टेड द सपोर्ट सोसाइटी इन यूके एंड यूएसए टर्नर सिंड्रोम. उनसे मैंने कॉन्टेक्ट किया कि उन्होंने कैसे अवेयरनेस क्रिएट किया, उन्होंने कैसे सोसाइटी फॉर्म की. तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि कुछ एनजीओज उसको पर्पल कलर रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. तो मैंने हाँ, मैं भी सेलिब्रेट करूंगी वेयर पर्पल डे. तो मैंने 4-5 बार वेयर पर्पल डे सेलिब्रेट किया है. मैंने पर्पल पहना है. मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोला कि यार पर्पल पहनना ही है आज तुम्हें. और क्यों पर्पल पहना है सबको बताओ, ये है टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस अबाउट टर्नर सिंड्रोम। फिर मैंने एक टैलेंट शो ऑर्गेनाइज किया विच इज बटरफ्लाइज गॉट टैलेंट शो, विच वाज अ प्राइवेट इवेंट जहाँ पे टर्नर सिंड्रोम गर्ल्स ने अपना टैलेंट प्रेजेंट किया। बहुत लवली स्केचेस दे मेड, क्या डांस करती है, क्या सिंगिंग करती है, क्या लिखते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, आई एम इन लव विद देम। वो था। फिर ऑफ कोर्स अलग अलग जगह पे मैं बोलती गई, प्रैक्टिस करती गई, टेडिक्स पे बोला इधर उधर। तो ये सब तभी हुआ जब मैं एक्शन ले पाई, मैं वो फर्स्ट स्टेप ले पाई। सो इट इज नॉट ओनली कि आजादी मिल गया तो सब कुछ हो जाएगा, नो, वी हैव टू पुट इन आवर एफर्ट्स।
Yeah, definitely. And it's a nice message that we should take that first step, and it's the hardest one, I must say. So moving ahead, just one thing, where we can find freedom or how we can attain it, because sometimes we feel that we have got it, but in real terms we never are able to find it.
Okay, so first of all, we don't find freedom, we have the power to gift it to ourselves. We can gift it to ourselves. मुझे एक बर्मीज पॉलिटिशियन थी, उनका नाम मुझे ऑंग सैंग स्यू की, आई थिंक सो, शी, यस, सो उन्होंने बोला था कि द रियल प्रिजन इज फियर एंड द रियल फ्रीडम इज फ्रीडम फ्रॉम फियर। सो सबसे पहले तो हमें वही होता है कि हमें अपने डर को फेस करना है। सबसे पहले वो अगर हो गया ना, तो मुझे लगता है फ्रीडम फिर दूर नहीं है, हम अपने आप को वो गिफ्ट दे सकते हैं। जैसे कि मैंने पहले अपने, मतलब मुझे जो डर लगता था कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, मैंने उसको फेस किया। अभी अभी जो मुझे डर लगता है, ओके, सो माय मेमोरी इज नॉट दैट शार्प, मुझे इतनी चीजें बहुत बार याद नहीं रहती है। तो एंड आई डोंट नो, आई हैव गिवन शायद 100 से ऊपर स्पीचेस हो गई होगी। तो आप सोचो, मेरे मन में हर बार डर लगता है, ओ गॉड, व्हाट इफ आई फॉरगेट, व्हाट इफ आई फॉल, व्हाट इफ आई फंबल, क्या होगा? नो, आई हैव टू फेस इट। तो कहते हैं ना, ग्लासोफोबिया, द बिगेस्ट फियर, fear of public speaking. So I face it, and by facing it, I give myself the freedom to express my thoughts, the freedom to share my thoughts. So that is it. Just, you know, अपने सामना करो, अपने fears का हमें सामना करना चाहिए, ऐसा।
And a great message. If we are able to face our fears, we can achieve great things. And last but not the least, I would just like to ask, we have people joining us over here. So what is that one key message which you would like to address our audience?
Okay, let me share with you all a very harsh reality. बहुत ही करवा सच है. Life will pull you down, but hold tight. Hold tight to hope and push yourself up. अब ये hope कैसे आएगा? Hope तभी आएगा when we believe in ourselves. And how will we believe in ourselves? When we know our qualities, when we know our skills, when we know what we can do with it, then we start loving ourselves. We have to learn to be excited at every step. Those who know me know मैं छोटी छोटी बातों पे बहुत excited हो जाती हूँ, बहुत खुश हो जाती हूँ। मैं नई नई चीजें सीखती हूँ और वो नई नई चीजें कर पाती हूँ, तो उसको भी मैं celebrate करती हूँ. So be excited at little steps. Celebrate every achievement. And I would like to say another quote. Martin Luther King Jr. had said that if you can't fly, then walk. If you can't walk, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But keep moving. So we have to keep moving, we have to keep learning, we should know what we are doing, where we are going. But जब हम लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, at the same time we have to remember to take pauses. Pauses to sharpen our skills, pauses to see where we are going, pauses to analyze the past, present and future, pauses to breathe and relax and continue back with full energy. कभी कभी रास्तों में बहुत मुश्किल आती है, हमें डेस्टिनेशन पता है वो मुश्किल आती है, so don't change the destination. आप रुको, सोचो, pause, change the route. रूट चेंज करके बस आगे बढ़ते जाइए. I understand कि situation will not be always under our control. That is not at all possible. But what is possible in our hands is how we react or respond to any situation. जैसे कि मैंने अपनी आपको 2 सिचुएशन बताई. एक तो जब मुझे टर्नर सिंड्रोम को पता चला, तब I didn't take it well, because तब तो मेरी होप ही नहीं था, मेरे पास किसी चीज का होप ही नहीं था. मुझे लगा मैं आगे करूंगी क्या, what will happen. But when second time when I came to know about osteoporosis, तब मेरे पास होप था कि अगर मैं इतने साल काम कर पाई हूँ, इतने साल मैंने कुछ स्किल्स डेवलप किए हैं, फुल टाइम नहीं कोई पार्ट टाइम जॉब करके उनको यूटिलाइज तो कर पाऊंगी, कुछ ना कुछ तो कर पाऊंगी. तो उस होप ने मुझे आगे बढ़ाया. So as they say, just hold on to Umang, a ray of hope.
Wow, it's just amazing. And to our audience, I would just like to say that our speaker has very nicely given us few key messages, that it's firstly important to take that first step. Then we should have the courage to face that fear which is stopping us. And at the end, now when we are on a journey of facing it and going ahead, we should go, take pauses when required, and in this way we can go on the journey to achieve our dreams, and yes, we can all find freedom. It was an amazing session. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. So it was an amazing session and great learnings which we have got within this just session. And it was great having you over here. And we are so much delighted, the whole team of Umang, a ray of hope, to have you here and got that ray of hope.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shruti and team of Umang, for the invite. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Now I will be calling upon our host too, that is Trishla, and she will be handling the vote of thanks and further proceedings.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Am I audible, Shruti?
Yes, you are.
Hello.
Can we have her on the
Okay.
spotlight?
Yeah, this is a vote of thanks to Pinky, who has given so mesmerizing speech, and it was an amazing discussion between you and Shruti. You have inspired a lot, and your key teachings I will be taking you through from this session today. And I've noted down, I like the way you told that poem. That was so mesmerizing, and you are a complete package. I mean, we have different categories, and you have storytelling, poems, speech, everything within you. So that was so amazing listening to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So this is an appreciation for you. Thank you so much.
Means a lot. This means a lot. Thank you.
Okay, so moving forward, I would like to brief my introduction to the team. Hello, everyone. This is Trishla. And firstly, I would like to wish you a very happy Independence Day and also welcome you to the week 3rd of Umang, a ray of hope, finding freedom. तो आप सबको क्या लगता है, क्या हम एक्चुअली आजाद हैं? आजादी तो हमें 1947 में मिल गई है, बट क्या हम विचारों से, चाइल्ड लेबर, सोशल कॉजेस, इन सब से हम आजाद हैं? कहीं ना कहीं हम स्टिल फ्रीडम के लिए फाइंड कर रहे हैं कि हमें फ्रीडम मिल जाए. And for that, we have different participants for different categories who will be expressing their thoughts on finding freedom. So moving on to our next category, which is storytelling. And for that, we have our first participant who is not only an engineer, but also an entrepreneur and a leader. So welcome to our next participant, Mihir Shastri. Can we have Mihir Shastri on virtual stage, please?
Hello, yeah.
Okay, Mihir.
I'm here.
Yeah, okay, you are audible and visible. So, okay, you can start now.
Good evening, fellow citizens. Happy Independence Day. Every year, when we remember our struggle for freedom and our freedom fighters, one question always comes to my mind. What was happening in the years between the end of the independence movement of 1857 and the beginning of the second and the final independence movement? When I researched and contemplated, I realized that it was during that period when our nation ultimately became one. See, the war of 1857 was a fragmented war, fought by fragmented states for their own freedom. Due to thousands of years of foreign occupations, caste system, and many kinds of social degradation, we lost our cultural values, and we stopped exploring science and spirituality, and we fell in the ditch of ignorance. As a nation, our self-esteem was destroyed. But one monk in India who was an avid history reader, he saw this pattern in the history and concluded that we were in fact in our dark ages. So he realized that to gain our independence, we have to uplift our self-esteem. So he traveled across India and he addressed every person who was willing to listen, and he helped them to gain their self-confidence and self-esteem by telling a story. The monk was Swami Vivekananda, and the story he told was like this. A pregnant lioness, while hunting sheep, gave birth to a cub, and then she died. So the young lion was brought up in the flock. So he ate the huge lion. When he became big, he ate grass. He bleated like a sheep. It never knew that it was a lion. One day, a stranger lion came across this flock and was astonished to see that this huge lion is eating grass and bleating like a sheep. Meh, meh. At his side, the flock ran away. With them, the lion sheep. But one day, the stranger lion saw his opportunity and found the lion sheep. He woke him up and said, "You are a lion." "No, no." And he started bleating like a sheep. Then it took him to a lake and asked him to look in the water. And the sheep lion was shocked to see that he was a lion. Don't believe in anyone who says that you are a sheep. We all are mighty lions. When it's dark, don't cry, it's dark.
Time is up for you.
No worries, the story was almost at the end, at the last word.
Okay, thank you so much, Mihir. That was wonderful story told by you. So now moving forward to our next storyteller, who is a sales profession, a food lover, and a fitness freak. He is Saurabh Kasera. Can we have Saurabh on the virtual stage, please?
Yeah. Hello.
Hmm, yeah. Hello.
Yeah. Am I visible to you?
Yeah, you are visible and audible too.
Perfectly
You can
audible.
start now.
Uh,
Yes.
I want to say just few lines before starting my story. Yeah.
Okay.
नमस्कार देवियों सज्जनों, मेरा नाम सौरभ कसेरा है और मैं एक कहानी सुनाने जा रहा हूँ और जिसका शीर्षक है एक आजाद सोच। आपसे निवेदन है कि कृपया आप अपनी स्क्रीन को ऑन रखें, यानी कि वीडियो शो करें, ताकि मैं आपके मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे देख सकूं। थैंक यू। हे प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहां के गाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। ये कहानी है एक गुमनाम शहर के लड़की की, जिसकी छोटी छोटी आंखों में बड़े सुनहरे सपने थे, जो अपनी सोच के पंख लगाकर आसमान को छूना चाहती थी, आत्मनिर्भर बनना चाहती थी। माँ बाप ने साथ निभाया, खूब पढ़ाया लिखाया, काबिल इंसान बनाया। वो आजाद पंछी अब एक बंधन में बनना चाहती थी, शादी के। माँ बाप ने एक अच्छा सा लड़का देखकर उसकी शादी कर दी। शादी होने के बाद उसकी नैया माँ बाप के प्यार की नदिया को छोड़कर एक भवसागर में आ गई थी। कुछ समय सब कुछ अच्छा चला, पर जैसे जैसे समय का पहिया आगे बढ़ता गया, उसके ससुराल वाले उसे परेशान करने लगे। ऑफिस से लेट क्यों आती हो, किससे मिलने जाती हो, खाने में नमक कम है। माँ बाप ने कुछ नहीं सिखाया, जा अपनी माँ से मेरे बेटे के लिए कार लेके आ, उसे ऑफिस धूप में जाना पड़ता है। इन सभी शब्दों के जाल में फंसकर उसको अपनी नौकरी से हाथ धोना पड़ा। उसकी पांव की पायल उसकी बेड़ियां बन चुकी थी और हाथ की चूड़ी हथकड़ियां। उसके सारे सपने धुल चुके थे और उसकी आत्मनिर्भरता चूर चूर हो चुकी थी। हमें आजादी तो 15 अगस्त 1947 में ही मिल गई थी, पर क्या हम अपनी सोच को आजाद कर पाए? वो अपनी आजाद सोच के साथ इंकलाब जिंदाबाद का नारा लगाना चाहती थी, पर उसकी आवाज समाज की मान मर्यादाओं के तले कहीं दब गई थी। ये सिर्फ एक कहानी नहीं है, ये आप बीती है हर एक उस लड़की की, जो समाज की इस छोटी सोच के कारण सलाखों के पीछे बंद है। चलो आज मैं आपके साथ मिलकर एक आवाज उठाता हूं, इन छोटी सोच वालों को जगाता हूं, निर्भय होकर आवाज उठाने की सभी को शपथ दिलाता हूं। भारत का रहने वाला हूं, भारत की बात सुनाता हूं, भारत का रहने वाला हूं, भारत की बात सुनाता हूं। थैंक यू सो मच। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Saurabh. That was an amazing storytelling, and you mesmerized with your thoughts as well as the voice modulation that you had. Now, here we come to the end of this category, storytelling. So, can we have the voting polls, Zoom Master?
You should have poll on your screen. I can see about 60%. Okay, I will keep the poll open for another 5 seconds. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Zoom Master Ritosh. So, next round is our poetry section round, and that is one of my personal favorite round, because poetry section is like an art where people write the poems in a way that simply by molding the languages and present them and express their thoughts so beautifully. And for this round, we have our first poet as Ankit, who loves to create poem and express their thoughts by writing poems. So can we have Ankit on the virtual stage? Yeah, Ankit, you are visible.
Okay,
Can you
I'm
check
all.
your audio, please?
Hi, I am audible.
Yeah, you are audible now.
ओके, तो मैं सीधे स्टार्ट करूंगा। तो मैं अपनी पहली पोएट्री से अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दूंगा कि और हिंदुस्तान जान है मेरी, कि हिंदुस्तान जान है मेरी, हिंदुस्तान में मैं मर मिटता, कि हिंदुस्तान जान है मेरी, हिंदुस्तान पे मैं मर मिटता हूँ, और हिंदुस्तान को मैं अपनी मोहब्बत कहता हूँ, और मोहब्बत पर मैं लिखता हूँ। तो अब बिना वक्त ज़ाय करते सीधे स्टार्ट करता हूँ कि मोहब्बत मुझे दीवानी चाहिए, कि मोहब्बत मुझे दीवानी चाहिए, मुझे अगली बार भी जन्म हिंदुस्तानी चाहिए, कि मोहब्बत मुझे दीवानी चाहिए, मुझे अगली बार भी जन्म हिंदुस्तानी चाहिए, और चाहे शरीर में खून की एक बूंद ना देना, और चाहे शरीर में खून की एक बूंद ना देना, पर अगली बार भी शरीर में पानी हिंदुस्तानी चाहिए, और चाहे शरीर में खून की एक बूंद ना देना, पर अगली बार भी शरीर में पानी हिंदुस्तानी चाहिए। और महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह और जवाहरलाल नेहरू, और महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह और जवाहरलाल नेहरू, इन लोगों जैसी खून में रवानी चाहिए। तो अब ये तो हो गई जिन्होंने हमें आजाद कराया था। अब एक औरत की बात करते हैं कि, और बात करें एक औरत की, और बात करें एक औरत की, तो वो बहुत बड़ी बलिदानी थी, और बात करें एक औरत की तो वो बहुत बड़ी बलिदानी थी। अरे आप सबको तो याद होगा, वो झांसी वाली रानी थी। तो सेकंड, और बात करें एक औरत की तो वो बहुत बड़ी बलिदानी थी। अरे आप सबको तो याद होगा, वो झांसी वाली रानी थी। ये बातें और हम कुछ, और ये हमें कुछ याद नहीं, और हमें कुछ याद नहीं, ये बातें बहुत पुरानी हैं, और हमें कुछ याद नहीं, ये बातें बहुत पुरानी हैं, हम सब यूं आजाद हैं, ये सब उनकी मेहरबानी है। और सर पर मौत थी इनके, और सर पर मौत थी इनके, फिर कभी इनके माथे पर पसीना आया नहीं है, और सर पर मौत थी इनके, पर कभी इनके माथे पे पसीना आया नहीं है, इन्होंने अपने मकसद से कभी पीछे कदम हटाया नहीं है। और घर बैठे बलिदानों की बातें करना बहुत आसान है, और घर बैठे बलिदानों की बातें करना बहुत आसान है, कभी जाके देखो सरहद पे कैसे मरता वीर जवान है। और जैसे ही सुबह उठता है जवान, और जैसे ही सुबह उठता है जवान, एक नई जंग की तैयारी होती है, और जैसे ही सुबह उठता है जवान, एक नई जंग की तैयारी होती है, वो सोता नहीं है, उस पे हमारी जिम्मेदारी होती है। और अब उतर चुके हो मैदान में, अब उतर चुके हो मैदान में, फिर अंजाम से क्या डरना, अब उतर चुके हो मैदान में, फिर अंजाम से क्या डरना, और सामने खड़ा हो दुश्मन, फिर जान से क्या डरना। अब उतर चुके हो मैदान में, फिर अंजाम से क्या डरना, और जब सामने खड़ा हो दुश्मन, तो फिर जान से क्या डरना। और आंखों में आग और दिल में आजादी हो, और आंखों में आग और दिल में आजादी हो, तो ऊपर से फरिश्ते आए हैवान, इंतकाम से क्या डरना। और एक आखिरी की बेटे की सरहद पर जाने से माँ जज्बाती होती है। ओके ओके, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Ankit. So creatively written, और आपने जो स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के बारे में कहा है वो तो दिल छू गया, मतलब thank you so much.
Thank you.
So next poet we have Ankita. She is an inspirational poet and who would like to inspire everyone and who wants everyone to go for their rights. So can we have Ankita on the virtual stage, please?
Yeah, hello everyone. I am audible?
Hello, Ankita. Yeah, you are audible and visible too. You can start now.
मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ। स्वाधीनता दिवस के अवसर पर आज मैं हमें किन विषयों में आजादी की खोज करना है उस पर अपनी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। आजादी विचारों की हो, आजादी खोज की, आजादी उड़ान की हो, आजादी निर्माण की, नित नया कुछ गढ़ने की चलो करें तलाश, आजादी हम पा जाएं करें खुद पर ये विश्वास। देश मेरा आजाद हुआ सन 1947 में, फिर भी आज भी रोड़े हैं कई बेटियों की राहों में, फिर भी आज भी रोड़े हैं कई बेटियों की राहों में। बेटी का विकास फैलाता देश में प्रकाश, फिर भी यह समाज क्यों करता उन्हें निराश। फिर भी ये समाज क्यों करता उन्हें निराश। कहीं वेशभूषा पर सवाल, कहीं आने जाने पर बवाल, कहीं वेशभूषा पर सवाल, कहीं आने जाने पर बवाल, कहीं उस पर रोक टोक है, लोगों की कुंठित सोच है, कहीं उस पर रोक टोक है, लोगों की कुंठित सोच है। अब जब बेटी आगे बढ़ती है, घर से बाहर निकलती है अपने सपने पूरे करने के लिए, तो उसे कई कठिनाइयों का सामना करना पड़ता है। उस पर मेरी अगली पंक्तियां। क्यों उसका बाहर निकलना, क्यों उसका बाहर निकलना कुछ लोगों को खलता है, क्यों उसका बाहर निकलना कुछ लोगों को खलता है। क्यों देश में कोई वहशी, क्यों देश में कोई वहशी उसके सम्मान को छलता है। क्यों बेटियों की सुरक्षा, क्यों बेटियों की सुरक्षा अभी तक महज एक स्वप्न है, क्यों बेटियों की सुरक्षा अभी तक महज एक स्वप्न है। सीता द्रौपदी के युग से अब तक, सीता द्रौपदी के युग से अब तक यह एक बड़ा प्रश्न है। आज 21वीं सदी में, आज 21वीं सदी में करें हम यह खोज, आज 21वीं सदी में करें हम यह खोज, समाज के लोगों की कैसे हो आजाद सोच, समाज के लोगों की कैसे हो आजाद सोच। और अगर ऐसा हुआ तो हमारा देश कैसा होगा, उन्नति के मार्ग पर अग्रसर होगा। उस पर मेरी अगली पंक्तियां। देश मेरा प्रगति करे और छूले हर ऊंचाई, देश मेरा प्रगति करे और छूले हर ऊंचाई, ना रहे कोई बेरोजगार, हो सबकी अपनी कमाई, ना हो भूखमरी कहीं और ना हो कोई संकट। देश मेरा निपट रहा है आज कोरोना से डटकर, देश मेरा निपट रहा है आज कोरोना से डटकर। आज कई योद्धा डॉक्टर्स और पुलिस के रूप में, आज कई योद्धा डॉक्टर्स पुलिस के रूप में कर रहे देश की रक्षा। इस विषम सापेक्ष में वैश्विक महामारी आज हमारे सामने आई है, वैश्विक महामारी आज हमारे सामने आई है। डॉक्टर्स ने जनमानस की रक्षा में अपनी जान गंवाई है और महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है। अंतिम दो पंक्तियां प्रस्तुत है। बेरोजगारी गरीबी भूखमरी, बेरोजगारी गरीबी भूखमरी और महामारी मेरे देश से मिट जाए। चलो खोजे वो आजाद भारत, चलो खोजे वो आजाद भारत जहां हर जनमानस मुस्काए। थैंक यू, थैंक यू एवरीवन। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे।
थैंक यू अंकिता, इट वाज सो अमेजिंग। मतलब आपने जिस जिस भी बात से हम यहाँ पे फाइट कर रहे हैं फ्रीडम के लिए, आपने सब कुछ कवर कर दिया है। सो इट वाज सो ब्यूटीफुली प्रेजेंटेड, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
सो हियर वी एंड आवर पोएट्री सेक्शन। वैसे इतनी सारी पोएम्स सुन के मुझे भी कुछ 4 पंक्तियां याद आई है जो मैं पेश करना चाहूंगी। देशभक्तों के लिए, देशभक्तों के बलिदान से आजाद हुए हैं हम, देशभक्तों के बलिदान से आजाद हुए हैं हम। कोई पूछे अगर कौन हो तुम, कोई पूछे अगर कौन हो तुम, तो गर्व से कहें भारतीय हैं हम, भारतीय हैं हम। So now moving forward to our next category, before we move forward, we have our polls. So every member present in the meeting can please choose the best poet.
Yeah, we have about 68% votes. I'll keep it open for another 3-4 seconds. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Haritosh. So next, moving on towards the results. But before that, I would like to appreciate all the participants who have participated in week 3 Umang, A Ray of Hope, Finding Freedom. So I would like to request Haritosh, can you please share your screen with the certificate? So firstly, we have Vinit Kasad for the prepared speech round. A huge round of applauses, virtual applauses. Next, we have Madhushri, who was the second prepared speaker. Next is Yashwant Thamla for entertainment section, who performed very well singing. Next, it's Kanchan for entertainment category, Mihir Shastri for storytelling, Saurabh Kasera, who was the second storyteller. Next is Ankit Verma for poetry section, and Ankita Shukla for poetry section. Thank you so much. Next is the token of appreciation for our organizing team. Haritosh, I'm not able to see the screen.
1 second.
Yeah. So this is our organizing committee of Umang Array of Hope, who work backstage and is responsible for the successful completion of week 3. Shruti Shivhare, who is the event chair, Priya Jain, who is an interview chair. Next is Manjeesh Pimplekar, who is also an interview chair. Next is Haritosh, registration chair, Richa Tiwari, PR chair, Trishla Khabya, PR co-chair, that is me. Then we have Abhay Kaushik, who is content chair, Mitiksha Khandelwal, content co-chair, Shivangi Bhalerao, who is an entertainment chair, and Harshit Khandelwal, entertainment co-chair. Thank you so much, team, and thank you so much, Haritosh. Next, I would like to hand over the stage to announce the results to Shruti Shivhare. Over to you, Shruti.
Thank you, Trishla. And our Zoom master will be announcing the results and presenting the winner certificates to our winners of various categories. Over to you, Haritosh.
Thank you so much. So presenting to you the winners. The winner for our prepared section is, let's unmute ourselves and give a big round of applause to Vinti.
Congratulations, Vinti.
The winner for,
Thank you so much.
you're welcome. The winner for our entertainment section is Yashwant. Congratulations, Yashwant.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thanks a lot.
Okay. And winner for our storytelling is, any guesses? Saurabh Kasera.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Welcome. And the last, but in no way least, winner for our poetry section is Ankita. Congratulations, Ankita.
Thanks, everyone.
Over to you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you and congratulations to all the winners for all the categories. And now, what's coming up next? Now we have, after 3 weeks of Umang, a ray of hope, got our semi-finalists for the next round, which is coming up just next week. Are you all excited to witness the semi-finale of Umang, a ray of hope? You can unmute yourself and speak up.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So here we have presenting to you the semi-finale week, which is coming up just next week, same time, same day. And here we have the theme for Umang Week 4 semi-finale, that is Express Gratitude. Aabhar vyakt kare. It's an amazing opportunity for you all to express your gratitude towards all of those who have supported you. And now with the 12 semi-finalists who have struggled and have did a great competition to do it all, have made it to semi-finals. So I would like to congratulate each and every semi-finalist who is going to again compete in our next week and witness the glory of Umang, a ray of hope. And also, I would like to encourage each and everyone who have been joining us till now and have been continuously witnessing us to be with us in the same way and continue the rigor and keep joining us. Also, I present a heartfelt gratitude to each and every member, all the guests, all the team members who have been there as the great supporting pillars for the complete initiative Umang, a ray of hope. So with this, I would be witnessing you all over there in the week 4 semi-finale of Umang, a ray of hope. We can also have a group pic. Zoom Master, Ritosh.
Yes, please switch on your videos. We want to see your smiling face.
Switch on our videos and give any of the poses which we want to give.
Okay, thank you so much.
Any of our guests who would like to express any of the feedback or suggestion, who would want to share their views, they can.
Yeah,
You can just unmute.
Hello, Mihir here. I had amazing time, and I like the talk by Pinky ma'am. It was truly like inspirational for me, because I am also like suffering from a thing which is like I am also a stammerer, and since my childhood, like I was really insecure about it. But after joining Toastmasters and many of the platforms, now I am like more open. Like I have gained the freedom.
Amazing. A great feedback. Anybody else who would like to share their suggestions or feedback? You can just unmute and say a few words.
We have few of our executive committee members. Richa, I'm going to point you. Do you want to say something?
Yeah, so I would like to say that I know Pinky for more than a year now, and we started off by being the MOCs for a division event. And she is known by the name Hulk in her club, because she has got this supreme power that she can deliver speeches, and she is always amazingly well. So I was really scared because it was my first time as an MOC. But she was so humble and so kind, and she helped me with everything, and it was super easy because of her. And today, after coming to know her stories, I can totally understand. And also, I would say, Pinky, keep shining and keep smiling and keep inspiring all of us. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Knowing this, I added few more stars to our session today.
We also have previous participants. Akshay, you want to say something? Akshay participated in poetry in week 1, I believe.
Thank you, Aritosh. Hope I'm audible to all.
Yes, you are.
Yes, so it has been a wonderful start with Umang week 1, where I was a participant. And all the weeks when I join, it is always fun to hear every different segment participants. I hope we have a huge audience at the finale. And yes, today's event, Pinky, if you are listening to this, I met you at Eloquence 2019, I believe, in Pune, which was just an awesome event. And meeting her, I realized like such a beautiful friend you can find in herself. Whenever she comes on the stage, whether it is Zoom or you can see the eloquent stage, every participant smiles because that's what aura she has. And I have been meeting her so many times on different global events. So kudos to her for being here. Thank you, Pinky, and thank you, Umang team, for inviting such an lovely guest speakers and all the participants who are there. Looking forward to next week. Thank you, Haritosh, for asking for feedback. I could not be on camera because my laptop does not have one. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshay. We also have our another executive committee member, Harshit. Harshit, you want to say anything?
Like not left with words after the beautiful speeches. Like really touched by all the speeches, all the poets, everything.
Awesome. Thank you, Harshit. All right. So 10:01. Those who know me know I am very particular about timing, so I don't want to hold up people. So I now pronounce the meeting as officially closed. And if you want to drop in, please drop. We're going to stop the Facebook Live and recording now, but you can hang around. You're most welcome for some more time.
All for joining. Thanks a lot.
I have this question. Are you all guys Toastmasters, or is there someone outside Toastmasters?